Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Canada, and I'm excited to be here today to share some new product with you, but also to share my March 2021 Butterfly Brilliance class in the mail. So let's talk about the new product first. We have just released today the Butterfly Brilliance collection. So it's a collection of products that includes a stamp set and dies. So these dies coordinate with this stamp set. And then there is a package of 48 sheets of 6x6 DSP. And look at this patterned paper. This die will cut out all 6 butterflies with one pass through your die cutting machine. So you'll get 8 sheets of each of these patterns. There's the backs. They're so stunning. And then there is a package of specialty DSP. It's called Natural Touch Specialty DSP. You get 2 12 by 12 sheets of this fabulous, almost like balsa wood looking paper. Okay, now these items are available to purchase as a collection for, I think it's $97 before shipping and tax here in Canada, or you can pick and choose the pieces that you want to purchase. These 2 products, so this bundle, the stamp set and the dies, will be available in the next annual catalog. So in the 2021-2022 annual catalog, you'll find the bundle, but these 2 items are exclusive to this promotion. So only available during this promotional period and as part of the Butterfly Brilliance collection. So I believe this promotion goes from March 2nd until, I think it's May 3rd, 2021. All right, so this month's class in the mail is focused around these products. So there are 4 different options to participate. Option 1 is the I Want It All option. So basically you would purchase the entire Butterfly Brilliance collection, which is $97, as well as a spool of the Fine Art Floral ribbon and a package of the gold glitter enamel dots. You'd purchase that from my online store using the class host code, and I'll have all of that information in the description below. Or if you want to choose different product and still get the class pieces for this, that's completely fine, as long as your order totals $118.25 using the class host code. And then I will send you all of these pre-cut supplies to create 6 projects. The 6 projects include 5 cards. One of them is a slimline card, and then a treat box. In addition to those supplies, you'll receive an email from me that will include the PDF, which will have photos, measurements, and links to videos showing you how to put all of these projects together. Okay, option 2 includes the Natural Touch Specialty DSP, the Butterfly Bijou DSP, a package of the gold glitter enamel dots, and a spool of the Fine Art Floral ribbon, as well as all the pieces, again, to make all 6 of these projects. That will be mailed to you. The cost for that is $60 plus $10 shipping if you need it shipped. If you're local to me, you can pick it up and save the shipping. And you'll also get an email with the PDF as well. All right, so that option is $60. And just a note, if you do require it shipped, this DSP, the 12 by 12 DSP, will be cut down to 6 by 12, just to save on postage. Option 3, this option is great for anyone who lives outside of Canada and can't make a purchase of products from me. This option is perfect for you. You can purchase the tutorial, which will include photos, measurements, and links to the videos, and that is $20. Again, there will be a link in the description below. And option 4 is for my treasure stampers. Anyone who is part of my Stampin' Up! Team has access to my monthly class in the mail tutorials. And that's completely free. As a team member, that's just one of the perks that you get. However, some of them like to get the pre-cut pieces, so I've offered to do that for them for a fee of $15. Okay, so those are the options. Now, if you're wondering what you need to have on hand, so apart from these consumable supplies and these ones, and then of course you'll want to have the Butterfly Brilliance bundle, or at the very least a butterfly bundle. You will also need a greeting set. So we have used the Many Mates greeting set, but you can use whatever it is that you have on hand. You don't necessarily have to have this specific greeting set. And then we've used 4 different inks. We've used Calypso Coral, Magenta Madness, Bermuda Bay, and Memento. So those are all the supplies that you need to have on hand, apart from adhesive and scissors. And that's it. So this is a quick turnaround. So the class is available to purchase from March 2nd to March 10th. And again, all of the information will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm happy to answer them. And I hope you guys choose to participate in this class because the projects are super beautiful. I'm super excited about these projects this month. They're absolutely stunning. All right, so I hope you choose to participate. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.